Hey everybody, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Got a package in the mail. This, they said, was just a gift. It's from a company, well, the person is from a company I've dealt with a lot in the past, and they're working for a new company. So this is just as a gift, but I figured, I'll do a little unboxing video here and let you guys see what I got. Share it with you all. Starting a new partnership with a company. Well, I shouldn't say partnership so much as just, I check out their things for them on video. So we have here a little 10-in-1 multi-tool. So I might have to go check out the computer to see all the details. We definitely have a carabiner and a Phillips screwdriver. Looks like a nice sharp cutter right there. Let me see. Got a bottle opener and a ruler. And there's definitely a sharp cutter. And I'm gonna have to check there. We've got some wrenches. What else? Oh, there's the other screwdriver. Let me see. I'm sure that's something. I'm not sure. I'll have to look what that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, I'm missing something. So I'm gonna check it out and see. Well, there is instructions there. It says screwdriver, it's got the measurements, there's a screwdriver. Oh, it looks like these are wrenches too. There's metrics all the way through 12, so that's a wrench. It's all labeled on there. 5.5, 7, 8, 10, 12. Everything's labeled on there. Then your cutter and your opener. Not sure what that is. Well, I'll be back in a minute. I'm going to check that out and get right back to you. This is really smooth though. It sort of locks in place. You can feel it lock. It's nice solid metal. Really good quality feel. I'll be right back. Okay, now I see there's the ruler. There's a wire cutter, which is here. That's a wire cutter right there. That hole. Snip the wire off. And then we have number 3 is a bottle opener, which we have here, that we saw. A seatbelt cutter. I see. That's a seatbelt cutter. And we've got 5, 7, 8, 10 wrenches. And also I saw the 12 on here. Well, I don't know if that would work as a wrench or not, though. It says 12. I can't imagine that could. I don't know if that could open anything or not. And then there's the 2 screwdrivers, and there's a wrench, number 8. I'm not quite sure. I guess that's a wrench, that slot, and when you slide this in, you can grip things. See? That slot right there. That's your wrench. And then there's a keyring hole. Put on your keyring. So there you go. 10-in-1 multi-tool. It's got a nice solid feel to it. I really like the feel. Convenient in your pocket. The only thing that would worry me, it's not sharp though, but that might poke you a little bit if you sit on it wrong. But I'm going to put that in my everyday carry bag and try it out from time to time. It's good to have a little tool like that in your pocket. You never know. Could save your life. Could definitely be used as a scraper for magnesium as well. Alright guys, well, I'll put the link to the new company below and the link where this is on Amazon. It's affordable as well, so I'll put the link down below so you guys can all go get one if you want. And stay tuned for more cool videos from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Today was just a unboxing of a cool little unique tool, but we got more things coming. Please like, subscribe, and share, and follow our daily videos as we strive to become fully self-sufficient and off the grid on a budget.